with another hair tutorial. You guys, there was this fun hair I wanted to do today, so I thought I might as well just film it. My hair is freshly washed from last night, just slept on. Why do I not like that you can see into my closet? Is it weird? Oh, I like that so much better. We're gonna do a fun little look today, but I wanna do like a really curly kind of like half up kind of vibe. I don't even know exactly how I'm gonna do it yet. We're just gonna kind of wing it. So I'm excited. We're gonna hop into it. I'm going to be using my extensions today. I dyed these in another video. If you wanna see how that turned out, I will link that in the description box below. That was a video. So does it perfectly match? No, but we're just gonna do it anyway. I already hairsprayed all of my extensions and my hair, not hairsprayed it, but I did use my heat tamer all over my hair. This is just the Dove styling hair. So I'm gonna go in with a 2 clipper. These extensions, by the way, are Glam Seamless. These were originally blonde and beautiful, but now they're box dyed brown. I had 2 sets of them, so it's okay. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't like ever curled my extensions super small, so this will be interesting to see how it turns out. It's been fun doing hair tutorials again, you guys. I missed it. I feel like now that I don't have a ton of pressure to like film them constantly, they're fun for me again, which I'm really, really enjoying. I'm gonna curl the extension for a shorter amount of time since it like curls so quickly. I think today is supposed to be like the last like gloomy, cloudy day in Vegas, and then we get back to like hot weather. I was seriously just enjoying the colder weather because I know the summer is gonna be so hot. So I was like, I don't care if it rains. I don't care if it's cloudy. I'll take it, I'll take it, I'll take it, because then it's gonna be in 110 for 3 months, you know? Now for this next layer, I'm gonna go in with a 3 clipper. Oh no, that's a 4. I almost said a 2 clipper with an extra clip. Thanks. You can do this look without extensions, by the way, you guys. I just felt like it would look really cute with it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Also, I think I'm just having a lot of fun with doing hairstyles while I'm brunette. Slide it into the roots, clip it in. I will say though, what I really do like about these extensions, this is not an ad, a sponsorship at all, by the way. The seamless extensions lay so much flatter, obviously, because they're seamless. So if you're in the market for extensions, I would suggest getting seamless over anything else. So I'm gonna finish curling all of my extensions. I'm not gonna touch this, and I will be back so we can finish off the look together. Finish curling the rest of this hair, and now we're gonna curl ours. When I'm doing this with extensions, I just make sure that I do like thinner layers, I guess, if that makes sense. For me anyway, if I space out the extensions too far apart, they don't blend as nicely, A, and well, that's A, B, and C. They just don't blend as nice. So this is gonna be so cute when I'm finished. I literally can't wait. The sun's coming out. Yay! I'm really excited for this look. When I did my curls the other day, I had so much fun wearing them. Also, you guys, I started bringing my vlog channel back. I think right now I have 1 video up, but I'm going to be filming some vlogs this week. So if you want to see those, I will have that channel linked below for you, so you can also see what's going on over there. I think I'm going to keep that channel as like my lifestyle and stuff kind of channel and stick to just like beauty, fashions, other stuff over here. Does that make sense? I like to do the 5 clip around like the biggest part of my head right here. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's feeling thick back there too. I love that. Ooh, now we're gonna curl this next layer, and then I'm gonna use my 4 clipper, but then I have 2 of these 2 clippers, and what I think I'm gonna do with these is ending up clipping them this way so that it goes into like the ponytail portion. This is so fun. I also really like doing these curls. I mentioned this when I did just the curls like this in a video. I like that these curls like last for days, which is always fun. Oh, okay. This is all just like honestly super repetitive. Just super repetitive curls all over, but that's all good. There we go. So far, ooh, so curly. Oh my gosh, except those bangs. This is fun. Oh, I love this so far. All right, so what I think I'm gonna do is right now is kind of part off where I know that I'm gonna do like the ponytail part of my hair. I am gonna take the end of this type of brush and I'm gonna part it so it has a good even part on both sides. Boom! Okay, we're just gonna speed up the process right now because you're gonna get bored of watching this, but okay, you guys, now that all of this is curled, I feel like there's empty space, so I am going to stick these extensions in here, except for the fact that the curl on this extension is going all wonky. So we're gonna fix that really quick. It felt like there was like too much empty space on the bottom of it. You'll see what I mean. But yeah! Oh my gosh, this is so fun. And then you can see on this side where you can clearly tell like there's extension and then there's not extension. So I'll just like really fluff up the little pony and it'll be fine. That looks so much better. Yeah, it needed it on both sides. Okay, cool. Cute! Okay, now just to curl the top part. Oh, I do want to, actually right now, I'm gonna pin this like this. Does my hair look cool right now? Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Oh my god. You guys, I'm so excited. Alrighty, and I think I'm just gonna use a clear elastic for this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Boom! Oh my gosh. Wait, is this really cute? Dude, are you serious? Oh my gosh, cute! This is fun. Then I'm gonna take some of this hairspray. You guys, this is the best freaking hairspray in the world. I'm not even kidding. It literally is. It's a 10 Miracle Whip. I don't even know how it's real. So I'm just gonna do a little because it's really strong. Okay, I'm gonna take this in the back of this pony. Give it some texture. Woo! And there you go. You have a fully curly, half up, half down look. Do you guys like it? Do you think it's cute? Oh my god. I love this hair. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these sit down, like get ready with me kind of style hair videos, let me know in the comments below because I would love to do more with you. I need to put some hoops on with this for sure. Alrighty, I love you guys so much and I will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys. Dude, what?